everybody. We're going to start off with this awesome primer from Covergirl. It is extra hydrating and moisturizing. I love it, especially in the winter time. Just when your skin really craves that extra moisturization. It is very nice and smoothing underneath the makeup. I have fallen in love with this foundation. It is very comparable to a high-end foundation. It is full coverage, it lasts all day, and it just looks beautiful on the skin. Even at the end of the day, it's such a nice quality foundation, and the finish is just gorgeous. I love this. L'Oreal has been killing it at the drugstore lately. This concealer is just everything, guys. It's full coverage. It doesn't cake up. It blends so nicely. It doesn't dry too fast. This has replaced my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I mean, I've tried several concealers. If you need extra coverage under those eyes, if you need extra coverage just to cover blemishes, this concealer will not fail you. This powder from Milani is a recent purchase of mine. I've been trying this for a few weeks now. It comes with a sifter, which is nice. I got the banana shade. I love this under the eyes because the powder is very finely milled. It's very smooth. It feels like you're wearing nothing, and I love that about powders because it prevents, caking up on the face. So it's easily blendable. It does a nice job to set the concealer and to pair it with this Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. I have loved this powder for a long time. Even though it says glow, it's very minimal on the glow. It's very light. You barely feel it. I love this. It's such a great find. This Wet n Wild bronzer. This is in the shade What Shady Beaches. And you can just see for yourself. I mean, this bronzer blends so beautifully. The shade is gorgeous. It's wonderful for my skin tone. It's matte, even though it doesn't look matte in the pan, but it is matte. And I just love the coverage. It does last a long time. I have fallen in love with this. This has replaced my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. All my videos come with a sweaty lip for free $99. This highlighter from Maybelline is in the shade Molten Gold, and it's such a gorgeous highlighter. It doesn't last all day, and it's not a sheen type of highlight, but the shade is just gorgeous, and I feel like it doesn't really bring out my problematic areas, which I love. It's not glittery at all, but it does give you that wow factor, which is why I'm going to blend it out a little bit. The L'Oreal Shake and Glow has a really nice mist to it. It does add that glow factor, and it takes a little while to dry down. It's a nice spray. Lately, e.l.f. has me sold on their eyebrow pencils, but in this video, I'm using the first one they came out with. This is a $2 eye pencil, guys. $2. It does the job. The point is not as fine, but it does the job, and it comes with a spoolie. It gives you a really nice finished look. I really do like this. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise is an amazing mascara. The brush is very, very thick. It's going to give you those va-va-va-voom lashes. It gives you volume. It gives you length. It is a very black mascara. This does not smudge on me, and it's not waterproof, and I have very watery, oily eyes, so this is dependable. I really do like this. It's definitely worth the money, and it's going to give your eyes that gorgeous lash look. You don't really need fake lashes with this mascara, guys. It's going to do the job for you. I just love it for separating the lashes, to control. It's just wonderful. It's gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and apply underneath the lashes, and I'm checking out the finished look here. What am I looking for? I'm looking for something. I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Lover. It dries down matte, and it lasts all day. I mean, all day. Wait a minute, I think I forgot something. I always like to start with a lip liner, and this one is from ColourPop in the shade Lumiere. ColourPop lip pencils are amazing. They last all day and they're so cheap. So going back with the Maybelline lipstick, this is the shade here. And when I tell you guys, This lipstick will last you so long that you need something very special and very oily to take it off. I actually wore it in my wedding, and this is the shade. Look how pretty and soft it is. I love it. Here we have the finished look, and you can see that highlight is just bam. Look at that highlight. How beautiful is that? Thank you, Maybelline. Thank you, Drugstore. I love it. These are all great items. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Click here so you can subscribe to be notified of my other videos. And click here so you can see my past videos. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.